I love marmalade. And I love mincemeat. And lately here in my part of Saskatchewan, mincemeat for the last 6 years or so has been very hard to find. But about a year and a half, about 2 years ago, they started importing Robertsons mincemeat from England. And I gotta tell you, that stuff is awesome. And if it's the only stuff I get, I don't mind. But I also like marmalade, and I've tried many brands. And I know Robertsons also makes marmalade, but the reviews I've read say that it's very sour and bitter because it's made with Seville oranges. Now, I honestly don't know what those are, but that's okay. So today, this is Robertsons. It was at my store. A store in the middle of nowhere, Saskatchewan, that has Robertsons marmalade from England. Figure that one out. Yeah. Anyways, there was no smell off it, but let's give it a taste test. Ooh. Oh. Oh my. That is sour compared to other marmalades I've tried. It's not bad. Yeah. It's like there's a hint of ginger on the back after you swallow it on the back of your throat, which I'm not mad at. It won't be my go-to all the time marmalade, but whenever I see a jar that's on sale, I might pick it up. And it'll be a once-in-a-while treat to myself. So, yeah. So if you like marmalade, give Robertson's marmalade a try. It's pretty good. And thanks for watching, and till next time, keep it real. Ayo.